my name is Melissa. Welcome back to my channel. We are on day 4 of our Breyer Advent Calendar unboxing, and we are talking all about the coming of Jesus, why it was important for him to come, why we celebrate every year in December his coming. And I'm excited to find out what God made in creation on day 4. But before we do that, Zoe had a snow day yesterday. Let's check in on her and see how she is doing today. Oh, it looks like she went for a ride. She's taking advantage of that snow. I think she may be out looking for a Christmas tree. Yep, looks like she found one. So I'll have to see. I don't know if that tree will make it back to the stable today or not. She's so busy and she has so many things going on. I know it's hard for her to get to everything. Right now, you and I are going to get to day 4 of creation. It's important to know the stories in the Bible because the whole story of the Bible leads us up to why it was important that Jesus came and as a baby and why we celebrate. So let's read Genesis chapter 1, verse 14. Then God said, "Let there be lights in the firmament of the heavens to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs and seasons and for days and years. And let them be for lights in the firmament of the heavens to give light on the earth." And it was so. That's all it takes is God speaking it, and it happens. Then God made 2 great lights, the greater light to rule the day, which is the sun, and the lesser light to rule the night, which is the moon. And he also made the stars. God set them in the firmament of the heavens to give light on the earth and to rule over the day and over the night and to divide the light from the darkness. And God saw that it was good. So the evening and the morning were the 4th day. So God is working really hard to create this beautiful earth for you and me. He created daytime and nighttime. He separated the waters from the sky and then brought up the land and planted fruits and vegetables and all kinds of trees and bushes and flowers for us to enjoy. And now today he's hanging the sun and the moon and the stars so that we can have all of our seasons and so that the earth will just start into its cycle of growth and of life. Isn't that so cool? When he was doing all of that, he was thinking about you and me, and he was thinking about what we might do, enjoying the stars and enjoying the sunshine. There's a lot to nature, and God put a lot of thought and detail into what he created. It's kind of fun to learn about it. All right, let's do day number 4 of our Breyer Advent unboxing. All right, let's see what we've got in here. Oh, I think we have our first horse. How exciting! She is beautiful, beautiful brown with a little sock. Yeah, I think she's gonna look really good in that corral. All right, well, before we wrap up for the day, let's check back in and see if Zoe made it back to the stable with her Christmas tree. Oh, she did not. Looks like her friends came to help her out. Rachel and Amy are going to help her with the decorating of the barn. That's so nice. You know, it's really nice to have friends that can help with things because sometimes we just can't do it all on our own. I wonder if they're doing this for a surprise for her. I noticed she didn't have the rest of her hair done when we saw her earlier, and so I'm guessing she might be finishing up the long part of that braid, if I had to guess. And maybe we'll find out tomorrow if they got the barn decorated and what is next for Zoe and her friends. Thank you guys for joining me today. It's been a lot of fun on day 4. Remember to subscribe so when I upload the next Advent video, you will know right away and you can find out what's in our box and the next piece of our story of why Jesus came. Have a good day.